Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. You know what? I think we adopted the wrong cat. Either way, we got a kitten. You know what? Yesterday when we were up there looking around, was telling him, you know, we were looking for the little cat, described the cat to the people, and no one knew, except for where we went and actually got the kitten. They said that they had a cat or a kitten that was, you know, just kind of hanging out there, kind of just showed up. So we figured, okay, that was the kitten, and they handed us the kitten, and they didn't say anything. They were basically, okay, here it is, and take it away, and we're good to go. So it probably would have just, I don't know, hung out there. Like I said, it probably had a fight for a meal, and nobody really cared about it. But when we got it back home, like you guys seen in the last video, and I was looking at it, and then I went back in the video and I checked. I'm like, well, that's not the same color cat. And I know a couple people had made comments on, you know, about the kitten that it wasn't the same one. And you know what, you guys were right, it wasn't. But you know, we did our best to try to find that little kitten, and you know, I hope the kitten's doing okay. But we got the cat now, or the little kitten now, and this morning we came in, and it's a she was here, and kind of like was a little scared at first, you know, when we first came in, and was kind of like creeping around a little bit. And we put some food down, and she came and she ate and filled her belly up, and she started just playing, and like she was going around the store and swatting at things hanging, and checking everything out. And she let us pick her up and check her out, and seems like a very friendly, playful kitten. Then again, all kittens are very playful, but she's actually found a corner now that she goes and kind of hangs out there and sleeps. That's what she's doing now. But anyways, what we're looking for is a name. So I figured I'll let you guys decide what we're going to name her. Leave names down below in the comment section. What I'll do is I'll write everybody's name down and what they want to name her. And I think Saturday what we'll do is we'll put it in like a bucket or a container, all the names you guys want, and we'll have Hannah Grace pick a name out, and that's what we'll name her. So like I said, put the names down below in the comment section, and I'll write whoever puts a name down, I'll write your name down and the name of the kitten that you want to name her. But yeah, oh well, I mean, we got a good kitten, and I'm sure this kitten would have probably had a fight for everything it had, because like you guys said, it just kind of wandered off the street. So, but I don't know what's going on today. Did the live chat this morning, and thanks again for everybody stopping by, and we'll see what today brings. Alright guys, I headed up the road to grab some bread at the little bakery. I came by this guy here, and he's sharpening knives. But look at his setup. It's like a bicycle. He's got modified, and he just pedals. And he's got his stone up top there, and that's how he's sharpening these knives. I think that's pretty neat. That's just pretty cool. Like I said, I came up here to grab some bread, and while I'm walking up through here, keeping my eye out to see if I can find that other little kitten. But I'm almost positive it was right here, because I remember this open green right here. I remember it was sitting right here, but I don't see it anywhere. So I hope it's doing okay. Yeah, I don't see it anywhere, and I even been looking in the ditches to make sure it didn't fall down in the ditch, but no luck. There she is. She is awake, and she is looking to get in trouble. Exploring everything. Checking out her new home.
Come here.
she goes over into this one corner. I think she's heading over there now. Yeah, hang on. She goes over into this one corner over here. Hang on, let me get over here quick enough. Show you and explain this to you. She goes over here in this corner. What she was doing is there's a gap between the wall and the fence, and then she would go outside there, but she didn't go any further. She'd kind of like hang out there, and that's where she was sleeping and laying, but it goes, she could easily take off outside there. So what I did is I brought the metal sign that was outside that had LPG on it, and I blocked that off because I don't want her taking off. But that's where she was starting to go and hang out and sleep. But there she is down there. I think she's happy. She actually started climbing up on the fence here earlier. Got about, I don't know, about a foot up off the ground and then jumped back down, so. But she's a happy camper. She's got a jacked up tail. Her tail's not very long, and at the tip it's crooked. You can see. Got Chef.
Tambay. Oh, Daddy, come here, Olo. Come here. You wanna play? Oh, no, come here. Oh, see that? Oh. You are naughty. You are naughty, cat. Come here. Bah. You are so naughty. Ooh.
You guys, is this cat getting spoiled, or is this cat getting spoiled? Whit and Hannah Grace came in, laid down the blanket, and as you can see, they're on their tablet. And the kitten decided to come over and lay down and rest and relax right alongside Lut here. I think this is going to be a spoiled kitten. What do you think? What do you think, Hannah Grace?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you think, Lut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's my youngest.
The youngest. It's the youngest. You're
The
not
oldest is here.
the oldest.
Hindi ko na yung kapatid.
What's your sister?
No!
Sister Kitty.
Wala naman ang kapatid na puso.
You guys, one of the things about having a CCTV camera, when something funny happens here in the store, I can bring it up on the screen and play it back. Something happened yesterday, and it was quite funny. And I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to play it back here and show you guys what happened yesterday. And it was quite funny, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little clip. What was happening was Hannah Grace, when my beard gets a little rough, I rub it on her hand and it tickles her and she laughs and she giggles, and she was pulling away, and then I wanted to rub it on her face and she was pulling away, and well, you guys see what happened. The chair collapsed on me and it was a big mess. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this one up. You guys make sure, if you want to help us name this cat, leave cat names down below in the
See? Oh, look at yourself.
in the comments, and like I said, we'll gather all the names up. Saturday what we'll do is we'll stick it in a bucket, and Hannah Grace will pull the winning name out of the bucket, and that's what we're going to name her. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up, and
wait, come here.
tomorrow's another day. The journey continues. Got anything to say, Lut?
See you next time.
Alright guys.
See you, bye-bye. Bye. Oh.